In this video, I'll show you how to get a label using Trello in N8N in a quick and simple way. If you're building automations in N8N and want to pull a Trello label into your workflow, this is exactly what you need. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy N8N automation guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8N. This is the workflow where you want to use Trello and get the label information. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel. This is where you can add different apps and actions to your automation. In the search bar or app list, choose Trello. After selecting Trello, look through the available actions and choose Get a Label. This is the action that will let you fetch a label from Trello. Next, choose the credential you want to use. Make sure you select the correct Trello account connection so N8N can access your Trello data properly. Now it's time to configure what to create. Fill in the required fields based on what your workflow needs. Set up the details carefully so N8N can retrieve the correct label information from Trello. Once everything is configured, save your node and test the workflow to make sure it runs the way you want. If the label comes through correctly, you're all set. And that's how you get a label using Trello in N8N. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more N8N tutorials just like this.